In this video, how to add users and configure the permissions in ThingWorx Foundation IoT platform. Provide ThingWorx accounts for the team members developing your IIoT application. You will add these initial users in ThingWorx Composer. ThingWorx includes a default administrators group. Users in this group have complete access to everything. We recommend you assign developers to the administrator group, which will provide the permissions they need to develop and validate the application. For now, focus on creating user accounts for developers and other team members building the application. You will create user accounts for the end users of the application later. Each user of ThingWorx must be defined. Usernames can be email addresses. A user can belong to any number of groups and can be assigned most combinations of rights and permissions. Unlike things, users do not have services, events, or subscriptions. Configuring visibility and permissions for ThingWorx entities. In ThingWorx, there are two types of permissions. Design time, these permissions define which user groups and users have access to create, read, update, and delete entities. Runtime, these permissions define which user groups and users can access data, execute services, and trigger events on a thing, which include data tables, streams, and users. You can set runtime permissions at a thing template, or entities collection level. The abstract entities, thing shapes, data shapes, and user groups in the model do not have runtime permissions. Visibility permissions define which organization and organizational units have access to view an entity. If the members of an organization or organizational units do not have visibility access, they are not able to view the entity in the entity list or search results. It is recommended that you manage the permissions for your application as you build it. Implementing permissions at the end is very difficult. Collection permissions. The granularity of ThingWorx security allows you to set any collection with unique permissions. Entity permissions. The granularity of ThingWorx security allows you to set any entity with unique permissions.